Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Journey oil light. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the gear selector is in the park position. It's important not to press the brake pedal at any point during these initial steps. Next, press the start button 2 times, slowly, to put your ignition into the RUN position without actually starting the engine. Once your vehicle is in the RUN position, you'll need to use the accelerator pedal. Fully depress the gas pedal all the way to the floor, then release it. Repeat this action 2 more times for a total of 3 presses. Make sure to complete all 3 presses within a 10-second window for the reset to register correctly. After you've completed the 3 accelerator pedal presses, press the start button 1 more time to turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Now, go ahead and start your Dodge Journey as you normally would. The oil change due message or oil light should no longer be illuminated on your dashboard, indicating a successful reset. If the oil light or message is still on after attempting the reset, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning. Sometimes, adjusting the speed of your pedal presses, either slightly faster or slower, can make a difference. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description below for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. It's a fantastic resource for understanding personal finance better.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.